Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're sharing 10 easy DIY projects to enhance your backyard privacy. From natural solutions to creative structures, let's transform your outdoor space into a private oasis. 1. Build a lattice privacy screen. First up, let's create a lattice privacy screen using 4-foot by 8-foot sheets from your local home improvement store. Step 1. Gather materials. You'll need lattice sheets, wooden posts for support, screws, and a drill. Step 2. Cut the posts to your desired height and install them in the ground, ensuring they are sturdy and level. Step 3. Attach the lattice sheets to the posts using screws. This allows for air circulation while providing a decorative element. Step 4. Enhance the screen by planting climbing plants like clematis or honeysuckle at the base for added beauty and privacy. 2. Install a bamboo privacy fence. Bamboo fencing is a quick and natural solution for privacy. Step 1. Purchase bamboo rolls from your local garden center or home improvement store. Step 2. Secure the bamboo rolls to an existing fence or frame using zip ties or wire. Step 3. If desired, you can create curves or unique shapes by bending the bamboo slightly as you attach it. Bamboo grows quickly and provides immediate coverage, making it an excellent choice for fast privacy. Create a staggered wooden board fence. This eye-catching staggered wooden board fence offers both privacy and style. Step 1. Cut wooden boards to various lengths for a staggered effect. Step 2. Install vertical posts in the ground at regular intervals. Step 3. Attach the boards at different heights to the posts using screws, creating an interesting visual effect that enhances air circulation. To soften the look, plant shrubs in front of the fence for added greenery. Use tall planters with dense plants. Create a living privacy screen with tall planters filled with fast-growing plants. Step 1. Choose tall planters made of wood, ceramic, or plastic. Step 2. Fill them with fast-growing plants like sunflowers, zinnias, or ornamental grasses that reach significant heights. Step 3. Arrange the planters along your property line or in areas where you need more privacy. This not only provides an effective barrier, but also adds color and texture to your garden. Construct a DIY trellis. A DIY trellis is perfect for supporting climbing plants while enhancing privacy. Step 1. Gather materials such as wood or metal posts and wire mesh or wooden slats. Step 2. Create a rectangular frame by securing the posts into the ground and attaching horizontal slats or mesh between them. Step 3. Plant vigorous climbers like jasmine or climbing roses at the base of the trellis. As these plants grow, they will create a beautiful green wall that enhances your privacy. Add outdoor curtains. Outdoor curtains offer instant privacy and style. Step 1. Choose weather-resistant fabric suitable for outdoor use. Step 2. Install curtain rods around your patio or deck area, using brackets secured to walls or posts. Step 3. Hang the curtains on the rods so they can be easily drawn open or closed as needed. This creates a cozy outdoor room feel while blocking sightlines from neighbors. Plant hedges or shrubs. Hedges are a classic way to create natural privacy screens. Step 1. Choose fast-growing options like arborvitae or privet that suit your climate. Step 2. Dig a trench along your property line where you want to plant them, ensuring it's deep enough for root systems. Step 3. Plant them closely together for an effective barrier, and water them well after planting. With proper care and shaping, these hedges will provide year-round coverage. 8. Create a green wall with vertical planters. Vertical gardens maximize space while adding greenery for privacy. Step 1. Purchase vertical planter systems that can be mounted on walls or fences. Step 2. Follow installation instructions to securely attach them to your chosen surface. Step 3. Fill each planter with herbs, flowers, or even vegetables that thrive in vertical settings. This creates a lush green wall that enhances both aesthetics and seclusion. 9. Build a pergola with climbing plants. A pergola adds structure, shade, and privacy to your backyard. Step 1. Gather materials such as treated lumber for durability. Step 2. Construct 4 vertical posts in each corner of your desired area. Step 3. Attach horizontal beams across the top to create an open roof structure. Step 4. Train climbing plants like wisteria or grapevines over the pergola as they grow. This not only provides shade but also adds beauty and extra privacy. 10. Use decorative fencing. Consider installing decorative fencing that complements your home's architecture. Step 1. Choose materials such as wrought iron, wood slats, or vinyl. Step 2. Measure your yard boundaries before cutting any materials. Step 3. Securely install posts at regular intervals before attaching panels. decorative fencing adds charm while effectively blocking views. There you have it, 10 easy DIY projects to enhance your backyard privacy. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more DIY outdoor projects, and hit that notification bell. Happy gardening, everyone!